Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to turn on the quiet mode for your Instagram so that you can take rest from the notification and activity. So to do that, you just need to open your Instagram application and you need to see on the bottom side here there will be like 5 features, and you just need to go click your profile, and whenever you open the profile just click these 3 straight lines and go click the settings and privacy. And the setting is privacy. You just need to right away take a look on the time span on how you use Instagram, and those will be pop-up on information such as the break reminder, quiet mode, and daily limit. To turn on the quiet mode, just go click it and just turn on the button by go click this part and you're done. So that is the way guys how to turn on the quiet mode of the Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.